back to my channel. It's your girl Malika, and I'm so excited to see you queens. So on today, I'm going to be giving you guys a review and tutorial of the new Anastasia Beverlyhills holiday collection. And I received this collection on yesterday in the mail. When I tell you this is my most favorite PR package from Anastasia Beverlyhills, she really outdid herself with this holiday collection. Like, it's super nice. The first box that I opened was the PR box for the Sultry Palette. This PR package is so nice. Like, the packaging for the palette itself is beautiful, and then the PR package is lovely as well. She put roses in the package this time. Guys, I am in love with it. I'm gonna place it somewhere on display because the roses can last up to a year. So yeah, this is what the Sultry palette looks like. This is the packaging. It's like a rose gold, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, this palette is gorgeous. Alright, so the next box that came with the PR for the holiday collection was this pyramid box, which includes the glitter she came out with, the metallic liquid lipsticks, and the shimmer glosses. So this is what it looks like. We have the metallic liquid lipsticks on this side. I'm trying to get it all in there. We have the glitters in the middle, and we have the glosses on the end. Everything will be sold on her website on September the 25th, so you can get everything on her website on the 25th. And the products will launch on other websites and in stores a little bit later, I think in October. But everything will launch on the ABH website on the 25th of September. But without further ado, we're going to get into this tutorial so you guys can see how I created this really sparkly holiday look. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'm so happy to see you queens. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded my last tutorial, but I am back. I'm so excited to be back in front of the camera, and yeah, I have a lot in store for you queens. I have some hair reviews and some more product reviews. So yeah, stay tuned and let's have a little fun, okay? Alright queens, so the first thing we're going to start out with is the palette, of course. I'm going to use the palette on my eyes. I've already completed my face because we're just going to focus on the eyes and lips today. So first thing we're going to start out with is the Sultry palette. This is what it looks like when you open it. It comes with a brush, of course, and a mirror. This is what it looks like. And I love palettes like this with like neutral, warm colors, because you can literally use this palette for day looks, night looks. And my go-to eyeshadow looks usually have most of these colors in them, like golds and coppers and silvers. So I'm really going to enjoy this palette for the holidays for sure. Okay, so the first color I'm going to start out with is Pearl, and it's right here at the top. It's like a champagne-y, silvery color, and I'm gonna place that on my brow bone. So after laying Pearl down, I think I'm gonna go in with Birch. Right here on the end, it's like a nude soft brown color, and I'm gonna pop that right up under Pearl. Alright, so after Birch, I'm going to go in with Dystopian right here. And it's like a dark brown shade. And I'm going to pop it right here on the outer corner. Alright, so now I'm going to take the color Noir on the end. It's this black color, and I'm going to put it on top of Dystopian, just to darken it up a little bit more. Noir is really dark. It's a really dark black. It's one of my favorite black eyeshadows. So I'm going to pack it on top of Dystopian, just to deepen up the outer V a little bit more. So far I'm liking how pigmented all of the colors are. They're super easy to blend and build. So I'm loving it so far. I'm not having any trouble with building, blending, or pigmentation, which is usually expected from Anastasia Beverlyhills. The eyeshadows are pretty bomb, so I didn't expect anything less. But just to let you guys know how I feel about the palette so far, I'm loving it. I can't wait to see what the shimmer shades look like. So now I'm going to move on to the lid color. And I'm going to use a shade from the palette, and I'm going to use some of the glitters as well that came out with this holiday collection. So I'll be using both the glitters and the shimmer shade from the palette. Okay, so the first color I'm going to use from the shimmer shades are Pearl, the same color we used on the brow bone. And I'm going to just place it in the inner corner. Ooh, that is pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to use Rose Quartz, and I'm going to put it in the center of the lid, right next to Pearl. That's pretty as well. The shadows are super pigmented. Okay, now that we have our eyeliner down, I'm going to apply some glitter on the bottom lash line because I've seen this look like floating around Instagram and I thought it was so cute and so different. So that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to go with Star Power, and it looks like a champagne-y gold color. And I love how they have this package because it comes with a little lid top and you can peel it back to open it so that it won't spill out. Okay, so I'm going to apply some NYX glitter primer on the bottom lash line, and I'm going to just press it. The glitter is really fine. It's not really chunky. Alright, so now that I have my face completed and my lashes applied, I'm going to go ahead and move on to lips. I'm going to take a metallic liquid lipstick and I'm going to take a gloss and put it on top. I'm going to try the metallic lipstick out. I'm kind of scared because it's my first time trying a metallic lipstick. But it's really cute and it matches my eyeshadow, so I'm going to try it. This one is called Mata. And this one is the metallic liquid lip. I'm just pot a little bit. I don't want to go too crazy, you know. I don't want to look like I've been eating white donuts. Okay, so the next color I'm going to apply is a gloss, and this one is called Pearl. Alright, so that completes this look. I really hope you queens enjoyed it. I really like the palette. The colors are really pigmented, especially the shimmer shades. The matte shades are pigmented as well. I really like the shimmer shades, and I'm going to be using this palette a lot. I know I'm going to be using this palette a lot for the holiday season for sure. I like that the glitters aren't too chunky. I like that they're fine, because if it gets in your eye, then you really won't have anything to worry about, because if it's a chunky glitter, then it might cut your eyes. But yeah, the glitters are nice as well. It's picking up really cute on camera, so I'm satisfied with that. As far as the gloss and the metallic liquid lip goes, I don't think I'm going to be wearing the metallic liquid lips a lot. I just can't get into the metallic liquid lipsticks. I don't know why, I just can't. But as far as the gloss go, I really like the gloss, especially for the holidays. To be a really cute lip for a Christmas party or like Thanksgiving dinner. I'm gonna be glowing this Thanksgiving. The family is gonna be like... Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It was nice seeing you, queens, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.